Hey, it's Neil, and I'm going to show you this 9H tempered glass screen protector. I had actually done a video and I had forgotten to push record or something happened. I don't know, something just wasn't recording right. So I've already opened it and I've already installed it, but I'll show you kind of how it works. And this is kind of it. So you install it by cleaning it and then basically putting it on. And it came with 6 of these because there's 3 protectors. So it came with 6 and I had opened up 1 and 2. And these are teeny tiny little ones. The one was wet, so it was wet, and I was able to clean off the screen. And then it came with 3 of these screens, and I was able to peel off this. And I put it on there, and it came out just super perfect. You can barely even tell that there's anything on there, so it really came out good. So I'm giving this a super thumbs up from me. I got this installed in a minute. I guess it's by New C is the company. So these are ones I'm gonna say totally thumbs up, and I can feel it, and it feels just like the glass from the iPhone itself. So it's like great, and this fits on a 13 is the one I got, but they make them for all the different ones. I think I have it on my 14 too, which is the camera I'm using to film it. This is for Olive, so that's why it's a different one. But thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.